In this video, I will show you how to transfer photos and videos from your iPhone to your laptop using USB cable. So let's begin our video. So here you can see my case, it's 16 Pro. So you just need a cable and this is USB-C to USB-C. So on side, you just need to connect to your mobile. So here you can see I just connect it on my mobile, and another side I just need to connect on my laptop. So after connect, there have a notification pop up. You just need to select allow. So after select allow, you just need to go on your laptop and here open this PC. So right now select Apple iPhone. So here you can see you just need to simply select it and then select internal storage, and right now here you can find the all access of your iPhone folder. Right now you can select any photos videos from here. So here you can see I just copy this photo from here. So here you can see I just copy it. Right now select copy. Right now I just need to paste it on my laptop drive. So here you can see I just paste it here. So guys, in this way you can transfer photos and videos from your iPhone to your laptop. Thank you everyone for watching.